In Companion version 3, you can load modules that are not included in the stable release of Companion using the Developer Modules Path feature. You might do this to test a new module that is not yet included in Companion, a new version of an existing module, or a custom module that is not meant for public distribution. To use this feature, first, on the computer running Companion, create a folder that will contain the modules you wish to load. Next, you will need a module to import. This will need to be provided by the developer of the module as a compressed file, either a zip or a TGZ. First, we're going to uncompress the file. Then, optionally, you can rename this uncompressed output to help better organize your folder. Now, you can drop this module into your custom modules folder. Now, open the Companion launcher. You can access this by going to the Companion logo and Show Hide window if it's not already visible. In the launcher, click the cogwheel in the upper right-hand corner. This will reveal the option to select a Developer Modules path. Here, you can navigate to the folder you created previously. When you select a folder here, it will reload Companion and should now include your custom modules. You can verify this by going to the Companion Web UI, navigating to the log, and Companion will indicate how many custom modules were loaded. And you should be able to see this specific module or modules you added appeared with the note that they're being overridden. And that's it. You can update the custom modules you've loaded at any time by going back to the custom modules folder you created and replacing the files. Or you can delete a module's files entirely to go back to using the version included with the stable release of Companion.